Tired of itchy and embarrassing ingrown hairs and razor bumps after shaving, waxing, or epilation? The Dylonic brush, a simple and effective solution, is here to help you get rid of those pesky bumps. The Dylonic brush is a chemical-free ingrown hair and razor bump solution. By just using it daily before shaving or before your hair removal procedure, the firm but flexible bristles will help exfoliate your skin and lift and release trapped hairs. All this results in a much closer shave and visibly smoother skin. Plus, one of the best things about the brush is that it doesn't only fight the existing ingrown hairs and razor bumps, it also decreases the occurrence of the new bumps and helps the hair to grow unimpeded. And it's really easy to use, wet or dry. Just brush the area in light circular motions against the grain. You can apply lotion or shower gel for gentler exfoliation. Free your skin from ingrown hairs and razor bumps like a pro with the Dylonic exfoliating brush.